Okay, so here we are at Fort Greene, and we're at the site of the rainbow prophecy that we've witnessed. I guess that was over the summer. And Swinburne's poem, The Year of Love, which is really about the age of Aquarius. And we can study Swinburne's Year of Love and compare that the Bible depicts that the age of Aquarius, the righteous generation, will be divided into 4 parts, 4 generations until the great falling away. And each generation, we see this in the end of the book of Job, the book of Mormon, etc. Now, each generation is represented by these trees, okay? And this is confirmed in Swinburne's poem, The Year of Love. I witnessed a branch fall off of the 3rd generation tree right here. All these trees, except for the second one, is a horse chestnut tree. This is a pine oak tree, okay? I've been sitting here studying the Year of Love and pondering these trees, seeing to get another hold. But the reason why I'm making this video is because they allowed a new tree to be planted here, okay? So this is in between the 2nd and 3rd generation. When you study the poem, it's confirmed this tree should not be here, but the Lord is allowing it. He doesn't want it here. And so I assume this tree being here, being planted in the middle of the 3rd and 2nd generation, is prophetic. And I think the enemy would plant a tree here between the 2nd and 3rd generation. If you notice, they're very far apart compared to the other trees. The 2nd generation, the pine oak tree, is when we're going to be firm in the faith. The enemy is going to be brought down very low, and we're just going to last firm as a rock in our faith for quite a long time. So it makes sense, anybody that is following God should never have allowed this to be here. And I do feel that in the spirit. Very angry, very righteous. But they planted a tree here. And so the destiny of this tree, of course, is going to be prophetic in nature. I believe it's going to get knocked down, man. Okay, this is a pine oak tree, okay? It's going to get mowed down. Okay, so I just want to share that. And, maybe later in time, we'll do a deeper study in Swinburne's A Year of Love. But you really had to be here and sit and stare at these trees while studying the poem. It's just amazing and such a privilege to have this access to God's knowledge. It's really endless. And because this is our future. This is the age of Aquarius right here. First day, the 2nd day, the 3rd day, a branch will fall off from God's wrath. The 4th day will be the great falling away. And when we study actually the branches of these trees, the size of these trees, the type of trees they are, we will understand better our future and what's ahead for us, along with Swinburne's amazing poem. And again, I'm going to repeat, when you study Swinburne's poem, it perfectly goes with the way these trees are and aligned. It's amazing. But they planted a tree here that's not supposed to be here, and I know the Lord does not want it, and it will get mowed down. This is a pine oak tree, man. Look out.